In this video, I will go over the basic movements, cues, and spotting techniques for front squat, back squat, and bench press. I will also discuss the cues and movements for lifts that don't include spotters, like RDL, hang clean, hang snatch, and push jerk. So let's get started. When doing a front squat, the bar is going to rest on the front of your shoulders with your elbows up and in. Your hands will help support the bar also. Keeping your elbows up and in will allow you to keep your chest up as you move your hips back and push your knees out while making sure you get full depth in your squat. Please note, if wrist flexibility is limited, use straps or cross your arms over your shoulders to help aid in keeping your elbows up. As we move into back squat, you can see the bar is resting on my upper traps, and my feet are hip width apart. As I go down, my chest stays up and my core stays locked in. My butt then slides back, and I keep my knees out. I also make sure to keep the weight on my heels as I reach full depth in my squat. Now let's move on to the bench press. The key things to remember when bench pressing are to keep your shoulders retracted, opening up your chest, engage your core, allowing for a slight arch in your low back, and to keep your feet planted firmly on the ground. When you unrack the bar, it should be above you about mid-chest. Lower the bar straight down, then press up while driving your heels into the ground, keeping your butt firmly on the bench. The most important thing is to keep 5-point body contact with the bench and floor. As you can see, these 5 points are my head, my upper back and shoulders, my butt, and my feet. When spotting a front squat, make sure you know how many reps the person is going to perform. After that, you will then position yourself close behind the person with your arms out by their sides, close to their armpits, as depicted in the video. As the person squats, you will squat behind them in case they need help. When it's time to re-rack the bar, you will then push the bar forward, ensuring that it gets all the way re-racked. As you can see, the technique is the same for a back squat. When spotting bench press, you need to know how many reps the person is doing and also a cue to use when giving them the bar. When the person is performing the reps, it is important to squat down as the bar goes down, so if they need your help, you can help them safely. Lastly, when re-racking the bar, you need to pull it towards you with force. It should make some noise. This ensures the bar is fully racked. When performing an RDL, your chest should be up and your shoulders should be back. Your hips will then slide back, lowering the bar. You should feel slight tension in your lower back and hamstrings. There should be minimal knee bend. It is important to remember the movement comes from your hips and your back should not be rounded. When performing a hang clean, the person is going to start out in an RDL position, and then there will be a violent movement up with triple extension, keeping the bar as close to the body as possible. Your elbows will go up and under as you catch the bar, landing on your anterior delts and in a quarter squat. Similar to a hang clean, the snatch starts out in an RDL position. Your grip should be wide with your arms straight out. As you move violently upward to triple extension, keeping the bar as close to the body as possible. The bar will come up and you will secure it aggressively over your head, stacking your shoulders, elbows, and wrists, trying to pull the bar apart. Ending in a quarter squat, you will then stand up and lower the bar. For push jerk, the bar will rest on your anterior delts. You will dip down into a quarter squat and push violently up using triple extension, landing with the bar above your head back into a quarter squat. You will then stand straight up and lower the bar down. Thank you for watching, and thank you for everyone who helped make this video.